We all love chickpeas and cook them in many different ways. Sometimes chana masala, sometimes roasted chickpeas or for salad. But today we are going to make something different. Hello everyone. Welcome to the messy kitchen. We are going to make something new today. So I have these chickpeas, they're soaked overnight. I'm going to grind them in a small blender jar. I'll have to do it in 2-3 batches because my other blender is busy right now. So along with these chickpeas, I'm going to add a small piece of ginger and a piece of green chili. This is very hot chili, so I'm going to add only one piece. Ginger, I do not peel my ginger. I clean them really well, and this is how I'm going to grind it. So I'll be back after grinding this. So this batter is ready now. I have ground it in very fine paste. Now to make it even more tastier, I'm going to add some more stuff to it. So I have a small piece of onion here. I'm going to chop it in fine pieces and add it to the batter. I also have some greens here. These are beets, greens, and also green chili plants I have. So leaves from the chili plants. You can add any greens to your batter like spinach or fenugreek leaves, methi leaves, cilantro or coriander leaves. Anything you have it on hand or anything you like to add it to your batter. These greens not only they are tasty, they are also add more nutrition to our dish. Also adding about half a teaspoon of salt. You can add it according to your preference. Now let's stir it well together so everything gets mixed in. This bowl is little too small, so I'm transferring it to another bigger bowl so I can work it better. I'm also adding little bit of water so I can clean the previous bowl, and also the batter consistency should be little bit runny and spreadable. The consistency should be like dosa batter or pancake batter. I have heated an iron skillet or tawa on my gas stove. I'm going to apply little bit of oil and then spread the batter on top. I'm going to cook this covered for a minute or two or until I hear the sizzle. It has been little more than a 1 minute, so it's time to flip it now. But before turning it over, I'm going to apply a little bit of oil so it gets nice sizzle at the bottom. You can see the brown spots, that means it's ready to flip. So let's flip it. If you want, you can use a non-stick skillet. That works really well and it does not stick to the bottom. We need little bit more oil when we use the iron skillet. Let's check the other side also. You can see there are nice golden spots on both sides. That means it's very well done. So it's time to remove it and cook some more. Again applying some oil and then I'm going to spread the batter again. The first pancake or the chilla is always little bit tricky to get it out of the skillet. But second comes out, second, third onwards, they come out very easily because by that time our pan is well seasoned. So you can see it's very well done from the bottom, and we're going to press it and cook it from the other side also. This is the perfect color we want. Our golden, delicious, crispy chickpea pancakes or chilla are ready now. It's time to serve it. I'm going to serve it with my homemade chutney. You can serve it with any sauce you like. You can also serve it with ketchup. It tastes delicious nonetheless. The batter can be made ahead of time and it stays in the refrigerator well for 3 to 5 days. These pancakes or chillas are high in nutrition, high in fiber also, and makes a good meal any time of the day. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Stay connected for more simple recipes like that. Till then, goodbye.